The Richest Man in Babylon is a 1926 book by George S. Clason that dispenses financial advice through a collection of parables set 4,000 years ago in ancient Babylon. The book remains in print almost a century after the parables were originally published, and is regarded as a classic of personal financial advice. Today we are looking at the summary of this book. Long ago in the Babylon city there lived a man called Akkad who was the richest man in the city. Even though he used to donate his wealth to the poor, but his wealth was increasing day by day. Once he met his old friends who were with him in his hard times. Most of his friends were surprised because a decade ago Akkad was a poor laborer where many businessmen and traders used to hire him based on a daily wage. His friends asked that how did he get rich? Then Akkad explained the entire plot. One day Algamish, who was a money lender, hired him to carve some stones. He ordered Akkad to finish that job in a day, but Akkad could not finish it in a day. Algamish got angry, but he gave him another chance to finish work. The next day, the Akkad finished the work, but in return, Akkad asked some money-making tips to Algamish. Algamish was really happy to share his financial knowledge with Akkad. Algamish continued. Money rule number 1. Pay yourself first. Most of us dream big but none of pay ourselves first. After getting some money, at least try to save your 10% income. Keep it in a safe place thinking that money does not belong to you. And then invest your money and make more money. Then Algamish left to his hometown. After some days Algamish asked Akkad whether he saved some money or not. Akkad replied that he saved some money and gave it to his friend to buy some marbles in India at a low price, so that he can sell that marble in Babylon for a higher price. Then Algamish asked, what is your friend's job? Then Akkad replied that his friend is a tailor. Algamish suggested Akkad to invest in something you know. Do not put your money blindly on something. He suggested him to take experts' advice before investing so that you cannot get fooled easily. And this was the second money rule of Algamish. One day Akkad went to Algamish to borrow some money to save his business. Then Algamish questioned Akkad that what did he do with profit. Then poor Akkad replied that he spent all his profits on home and other luxury materials. Then Algamish explained to him his money rule number 3. Not to spend more money on materials, instead reinvest your profit until you become financially stable. Then Algamish helped Akkad to save his business. From that day Akkad did not spend a penny on liabilities, instead reinvested his profit. His businesses grown, compounding every year, and one day Akkad becomes the richest man of Babylon city. This is how poor labor becomes rich. Akkad explains his money rules to his poor friends. Let us glance at all these rules once again. Rule number 1. Pay yourselves first. Before spending money on liabilities, transfer your money to your savings account. You may think, how can this money helps you get rich? But know one thing. All trees grown from seeds. If you spend your savings wisely, then your money may double in a year. Rule number 2. Know your investments. Before investing your money, ask suggestions from experts. But do not ask any suggestions from your relative or friends who don't know anything about money. Rule number 3. Reinvest your profit. Don't take your profit to spend on liabilities. Reinvest those profits and you can see your financial growth every year. You can get a compounding return every year. One day you will reach a stage where you can buy anything and you can donate your money to some social cause. This is the summary of the book. I suggest you read the complete book so that you can get more information. You can hear the audiobook for free by utilizing a 1-month free trial by Audible. Also, you can buy an ebook in Amazon. Please read the book, there is a link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our Get Wealthy YouTube channel and share this video.